Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add Suica to Google Pay. So it's really simple and easy. So first of all, what you have to do is, for you to transfer from your Android device into an IC card in Japan, you will need to integrate Suica or Pasmo into your Google Pay application. Now, before proceeding with Google Pay, ensure that NFC and contactless payments are activated. Now, next thing you want to do is you need to navigate to your phone settings, then connections, locate NFC and contact as payments. Now, from there, once you have done that, we are now ready to add Suica into our Google Pay. Now to do that, you need to follow the following instructions. First thing you want to do is you want to open the Google Pay on your Android and choose payment. Now from there, click on the payment method and e-money and select either Suica or Pasmo. Now opt for anonymous card and proceed by selecting next, and finally click accept at the bottom of terms of services. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.